Hi, it's Alison Mead from Silicon Bullet here with another Xero top tip. Now, I've started working today for a new bookkeeping client, and I'd like to share with you a quite common mistake that I see in the accounts and something that I easily fixed in their accounts today. So when you start using Xero, you might well use Receipt Bank, or you might be uploading your invoices direct to Xero, and they're going to be sitting there in the bills area as awaiting payment. But then when your bank feed comes in, what will happen is then you need to match the payments that you have had coming in to these outstanding bills. But the sort of mistakes that I saw today were that bills had been marked as paid to the wrong bank account because there was a main bank account, a deposit account. There's also bills which have been paid for by the director personally to be refunded for later. So what I will always do with that is in the account settings, set the director's loan account to allow payments to the account, and then you can mark things that you have bought as a business owner as being paid for by that. But what was quite common was there were old invoices that were outstanding that you knew had been paid, and they were still showing as outstanding, but there was nothing to match them to in the bank account. So what I will do in that case is go to my transaction list in the bank and then search either for the supplier amount or for the amount of money. And quite often what will have happened is that the money will have come in on the bank reconciliation screen and you will have used the create screen. So a particular example today was there was a receipt for B&Q sitting as outstanding from when they'd bought some materials. And in the bank account, when B&Q had come up on the reconciliation list, they'd done a create where they'd put who B&Q, what materials, and then had put the information in the description. So this is a really easy thing to fix. I saw that there was a B&Q reconciled amount for the right amount in the transaction list on the bank account. So what I did was I did remove and redo, which actually got rid of that create transaction. I went back to the bank reconciliation screen and refreshed the screen, and then the bill popped up there ready to match against the payment. All that's happened is you've put the payment in and then you've maybe caught up and found some receipts somewhere later and uploaded them later. It's all quite easy to fix. So that is my top tip. When you have finished your bank reconciliation or you have some items left over, go and have a check to see whether the bills were even uploaded or not in the bills area. And if they're there and still showing as outstanding, all it means is that you haven't marked it as paid against the right thing, and you may have created a duplicate transaction. It's all quite easy to do. If you would like a hand-holding session to go through and look at your bookkeeping to see if we can fix some problems like that, then just let me know. I do an introductory 2-hour session, remotely link into your machine and help and guide you through and show you these tips and tricks on your account. So that's Alison Mead at Silicon Bullet. Go to www.siliconbullet.com for some more hints and tips. Look at my YouTube channel, and coming soon in September, it's the brand new Bookkeeping Tips podcast. So have a look at that. Thank you. Bye.